This is going to be a video product review of the EseeSmart LED voice light. This voice light will work strictly by voice. You do not need to use a Wi-Fi. You don't need to use a hub. You don't need to set anything up with a router. It works strictly with your voice. I'm going to show you these commands when I have the bulb plugged into the lamp. The nice thing about this product, you don't need a router, you don't need a hub, you don't need Wi-Fi, you don't need an app. You put the bulb into the lamp and you use your voice, and you can dim the light, you can change the colors. Let me show you how it works. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. Click on that link so that you can order this bulb today. The light bulb is 7 watts, 550 lumens. This is not a really bright bulb so that you will set it up to have a lot of light in the room. This is an accent light bulb. This is to accent an area in the corner of the room or on a nightstand or on a table. Let me show you how that works now. We're going to say switch light and the bulb comes on. If I say that again, it will go off. Switch light. We'll do that one more time. Switch light. So you see, you don't even need to set anything up with a smartphone like some of those smart bulbs. They're very difficult to set up. So let's go and change the brightness. Set cold white. Set warm white. And that would be a warm white compared to a much brighter light that we just saw. Let's go back to the set cold white. Set pink light. Oh, is that beautiful? I don't know if you can see it on the video. Set blue light. Set green light. Set red light. And then you can just use the command change color, change color, change color, change color, change color, change color, change color. And what that did is that not only changed the color, but it also went through the brightnesses that we had at the beginning. Now let's do the brightness, set, dim set. We're going to go medium brightness, set brightest, change brightness, change brightness, change brightness. This bulb is as easy as can be for people that don't want to mess with installing an app on their phone or connecting the passwords and the Wi-Fi and the router and making sure they've got 2.4 instead of 5 gig. A lot of people don't want to deal with that. That's why you want to purchase this bulb. I will leave a link in the video description so that you can order this. It's a very easy light to use, a beautiful accent light. Change color, change color, change color, change color. Absolutely beautiful. Where's the red? Change color. Absolutely incredible.